From innovative tents to high-tech tools, we've got the latest and greatest gear to elevate your outdoor experience. And they're only on Amazon. So let's get ready, set, camp. Forget wimpy little handsaws. This bad boy, the Hooyman Extendable Tree Saw, is like a superhero for your campsite. This saw extends to 5 feet and collapses to just 12 inches, weighing only 2.3 pounds. Constructed from high-carbon SK5 steel with impulse-hardened 4-edge teeth, the Megabyte XP blade offers unmatched cutting efficiency and a longer cutting life. The positive locking extension system allows for easy use while trimming or sawing by hand. Its versatile design features an inline design that allows the folding saw head to slide and lock into the extension arm when a pull is needed, and attached when only the handsaw is needed. And at around $65, it's surely an investment that will pay off for years to come. Stay prepared for any weather with the Mesqool NOAA Weather Alert Radio and Camping Lantern. This upgraded radio features 7 NOAA weather stations to alert you of hazardous weather conditions like thunderstorms, hurricanes, and more. Powered by a 5,000 milliamp lithium-ion battery, this radio offers 5 ways to charge, including AC/DC power, solar, hand crank, and AAA batteries. The radio features a 3-module ultra-bright flashlight, a foldable reading lamp, and an SOS alert light for emergencies. And the best part? This radio can even charge your phone in an emergency. It has a built-in 5,000 milliamp hour battery that acts as a power bank, keeping you connected even when the grid goes down. Tired of cooking over flimsy sticks and uneven campfires? Say hello to the VEVOR Folding Campfire Grill. This heavy-duty grill features a foldable design that comes with a storage bag for easy transport. This grill is rust-proof and heat-resistant up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit or 300 degrees C, without deformation or cracking, as it's made of high-quality steel with a durable paint coating. It's designed with a half grill net and half frying plate, offering versatility in cooking methods. It can also be used as a cutting board, making it a multi-purpose tool for outdoor cooking, all for a price of just $35. That's like paying less than $5 per delicious campfire feast, which sounds like a pretty sweet deal. Experience the future of outdoor cooking with the GOSUN Fusion Solar Oven and Cooker. This hybrid solar cooker is 5 times more efficient than a traditional electric oven, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or other outdoor adventures. The portable design is specially insulated to keep heat in and cold out, ensuring your food is cooked perfectly every time. With a temperature range of up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, this cooker can prepare a meal in just 20 minutes using only the power of the sun. It can also be powered by electricity for added convenience. It's eco-friendly, versatile, and convenient, all for the price of $549. That's an investment in delicious meals and sustainable practices that will pay off for years to come. Now, who's ready to cook up a solar feast? Don't let power outages or lack of outlets hold you back. Get the Anker PowerHouse 767 portable power station and stay powered up wherever you go. This portable power station features infinity power technology and LiPo4 batteries, offering a 10-year lifespan for long-lasting power. It includes a smart temperature control system that monitors temperature up to 100 times per second, ensuring safe and reliable performance. Thanks to HyperFlash technology, the PowerHouse 767 can be charged from 0 to 80% in just 1.4 hours. You can also recharge it in under direct sunlight within 2.5 hours using 5 200-watt solar panels. At $1,400, it's definitely investment, but hear me out, it's like having a personal mini power plant that fits in your car. TETON Sports Leef Mummy. Get ready for your next backpacking, hiking, or camping adventure with the TETON Sports Leef Ultralight Mummy Sleeping Bag. Built for adventure, the Leef is perfect for beginner backpackers who demand comfort without compromising on quality. It's designed to be a little bigger and wider than the industry standard, providing you with plenty of room to rest in comfort. The Leef comes in 3 sizes and 3 temperature ratings, allowing you to choose the perfect sleeping bag based on your camping style. With its polyester construction and microfiber film material, the Leef is durable, lightweight, and perfect for all seasons. And the best part, it won't set you back more than $54. That's like the price of a couple of fancy coffees with the potential for countless nights of cozy camping memories. Looking for a portable and convenient hunting blind that offers ample space, good visibility, and effective camouflage? The Tangkula 3-person pop-up ground blind might be worth considering. Featuring a convenient pop-up design with a hub system, this hunting blind can be set up and taken down in no time. The included portable storage bag makes it easy to transport, perfect for hunting deer, antelope, elk, and more. Its small windows feature window screens to conceal you while allowing you to shoot from any angle. For just $170, you can experience the ultimate in hunting convenience, concealment, and comfort. That's right, $170 for hours of unforgettable hunting adventures. Gear up with the Kingsguard 70L hiking backpack, your trusty companion for 3 to 5 day adventures. This durable backpack is designed for outdoor enthusiasts, featuring high-quality two-way zippers and nylon fabric that is water-resistant, tear-resistant, and wear-resistant. The backpack is designed for comfort with a mesh back pad that provides maximum ventilation and back comfort. The widened and thickened S-type shoulder straps, assistant belt, and chest straps offer stability and balance, easing the burden on your shoulders. The 70-liter capacity of this backpack makes it ideal for 3 to 5 day adventures, and for only $50, it perfectly meets the size requirements of most airlines, making it perfect for hiking, camping, backpacking, trekking, climbing, and travel for both men and women. Start a fire with ease using the Survival Fire Tinder and Wick Bellow. This waterproof Tinder fire starter works seamlessly with your flint and steel. Once ignited, the Fire Tinder Wick rope burns longer than you might expect, thanks to its 1.30 feet length, giving it an extended burn time. Designed to perform in any condition, the wax-infused hemp wick ignites with a small spark and burns for a long time, ensuring you can start a fire regardless of the weather conditions. And the best part? It's yours for just $13. That's an unbeatable price for peace of mind and warmth on your next adventure. Illuminate your outdoor adventures with the LuminAID Solar Camping Lantern. As seen on Shark Tank, this lantern has earned Amazon's Choice Badge for electric camping lanterns by LuminAID. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use with its 75 lumens of LED light in multiple brightness settings. The lantern is lightweight, inflatable, collapsible, waterproof, shatterproof, and dustproof, making it completely safe for children to use. Great for a variety of activities including camping, hiking, fishing, emergency preparedness, patio parties, picnics, and even fun in the pool. This lantern also makes a perfect gift for outdoor enthusiasts. You can experience this innovation for just $30. So get your LuminAID Solar Camping Lantern today and light up your outdoor experiences with ease and convenience. Experience glamping luxury with the Panda Air Inflatable Tent. This 8-person canvas tent is perfect for families or groups, offering ample space to relax and spread out. 2 doors and 6 mesh windows provide excellent ventilation, keeping you cool and comfortable even on warm days. Unlike disposable tents, the Panda Air is made from sturdy, repairable cotton canvas. This eco-conscious choice minimizes waste and ensures your tent lasts for years to come. Plus, if any tears occur, simple patches bring it back to life. Its 4-season rating and included camping accessories, like a stove jack, make it ideal for year-round adventures. This is just a taste of the amazing camping gear waiting to be discovered. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome camping content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Ready, Set, Camp.